Hello, I'm Dominic Palmer, head gardener on a private estate in Hampshire. We decided in 2010 to look at upgrading our greenhouses.
Once we understood what was required, we set to work creating their perfect structure. Our team of skilled design and structural engineers have years of experience working on all kinds of greenhouses for personal and professional projects.
Using innovative design solutions and the latest 3D computer-aided design software, we create a virtual structure prior to manufacture.
Our design and engineering service includes a visit to your site to carry out the relevant surveys, comprehensive investigations to establish local site conditions combined with wind and snow loads, detailed ground plan drawings that will be shared with your builders and engineers to create the foundations of your project.
The greenhouse is split into 3 zones which are all independently controlled. So we have what we call it the warm greenhouse. When we have it, we keep between 15 and 20 degrees. And that's for our propagation, growing tomatoes and bringing all the seedlings. Then we go down to the middle zone, which we keep about 10 degrees. And then we've got the final zone, we call it the north zone, and that we keep just above freezing. So that's the final moving out stage for moving into cold frames. We had an old greenhouse here which had manual vents and a not very good heating system. We've upgraded the heating system. We have automatic vents, so I can set each zone to the temperatures, and the vents open and close automatically, and heating cuts in and out at the set temperature.
The potting shed plays an important role in creating the perfect growing environment in a glasshouse of this size. To ensure the different zones are kept at the correct temperatures, Dom needed to have different controls for the electric vent system, as well as a boiler, manifold and mixing groups. To keep the greenhouse tidy, the potting shed also houses a sink with hot and cold water and a stainless steel benching area.
So in the greenhouse we grow tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, which all go into the house, and we grow cut flowers, and we start off a lot of the bedding which goes into pots which are all around the garden as well.
Alitex offers a full turnkey service from the initial ideas, design and engineering, planning permission, building works, mechanical and electrical, installation and aftercare. We are with you the whole way.